Hi everyone, if you're watching this video, it's obvious that you actually just purchased a box of our beautiful, amazing product, which is the Long Reach Superb Clean Sanitary Napkin. Now, if you notice, once you open the box, what's inside is basically, there's a couple of napkins like the day, overnights, the liners, even the mini pads that you use for those pahabol days, all right? So, one thing that you're going to notice is you're going to see a special box, which is, it says here, it's a indicator. For obvious reasons, it actually indicates. Did you get that? So now, what does it indicate? Basically, it indicates if you have any problems on your cervical area. So why do we need to talk about that? Number one is because we love women and we want our women to be safe. Do you want your women to be safe? Of course. If you're a woman, you want to be safe. Now, the thing is, a lot of women, they don't actually get the time or the privilege of going to their OB-GYNs and get checked up. A lot of the reasons is, number one, it's very expensive. Number two, they don't have the time. They have so many errands. And I believe that because I've seen so many ladies who have their own careers. They're so busy with their families, with their kids. So I understand that sometimes time is really a factor. But at the end of the day, as a woman, you have to get checked up. You have to monitor your personal, all right, your personal space over there, your personal hygiene, because we care about you ladies. And of course, if you have an infection, we get affected. Does that make sense? So, now the reason why this indicator was purposely put on the napkin, so at least even if you don't have time to go to your OB-GYN, you have time to do this personally on the comfort of your home. You can do this, and I'm so happy because Long Reach actually thought about this product, this indicator, to be included in the box. Now, okay? So now, once you open it, you're gonna see 6 of these pieces, these indicators. Now, an indicator, basically, if you purchase this on practically like one of those drugstores and stuff like that, you can actually purchase it for more or less around 1,000 to 1,500. Nowadays, I actually don't know if they have like lower end products like this, but I can guarantee you ours is really amazing. So how do you use this? Make sure, number one, make sure you don't have any menstruation. It has to be 3 days before or 3 days after your menstrual cycle, you use this. And make sure you use it in the morning, before you pee, before you take a shower. That's very important. It has to be the first discharge that you actually see on your underwear, all right? So I'm going to teach you where to basically get it, all right? And more importantly, you shouldn't have any contact with your husband or any partner that you have. And I'm not talking about the cellular contact, and I'm talking about, you know, okay. So everyone knows the contact that I'm talking about. Now, this is how you use it. Open it up. There's gonna be 3 elements that you're gonna see. Number 1 is the swab. Number 2 is this one, all right? This is very important, so you have to keep this. And of course, the chart. Now, how do you use this? This is how you use it. Are you ready? This is it. So just imagine this is just for demonstration purposes. I'm sorry if somebody gets offended, but I know everyone is mature. So this is it. So basically, this is what it looks like. All right. So what you're gonna do in the morning, you're gonna swab the discharge. 1, 2. So if you have like a sample of it, make sure you put it in this part. Yes, this one, this yellowish part over here. Now, it takes around 20 seconds to do this, all right? So you wait for 20 seconds, then you check the chart. Whatever color comes out of this strip, make sure you have to check on the chart. If your color goes to this area, there you go. When it goes to this area, it means you're good. That's why there's a smiley face. Smiley face, you see? There's a smiley face. Now, if it goes to this area, it means you have a little bit of infection. So my suggestion is to continue using the product, so at least it will start to detoxify your system, all right? But if you actually go, all right, this part, when you actually go to this dark area, it means there's a bit of a problem. I don't want to scare you or anything, but my suggestion, please go to your OB-GYN as soon as possible. If you have a very, very, very dark area here. That's why it has a sad face. A sad face. But what's more important, when you use this, we have so many testimonies when they use our product. We have cases that when they started using it, we also have a case. We actually have a case when before even using our product, their color is actually on this side. So it was very, very sad for them. But when they started using the product, all these discharges, all these dirt, this bad blood that was coming out, eventually after a few weeks of using it, from the darkness came back to the light. So that's the beauty with this product. That's why, ladies, I encourage you, use the product, use our napkins, get checked up, use the indicator. There's a reason why it's there. We want you to use it. All right? So thank you very much. By the way, my name is Rich Paredes. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked what you heard. So if you have any questions, please get in touch with the person who actually showed you this video. Thank you so much. Good day, and God bless us all.